Hey friends, if you encounter Qualcomm Bluetooth Driver Code 43 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, just run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Okay, it will open the Bluetooth troubleshooter and start detecting problems. Next one is to update the USB and Bluetooth drivers both. So simply open device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers, right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter and update it. Then expand universal serial bus controllers, right click on the USB root hub and update each and every one of them. And lastly, you can restart Bluetooth related services. So for that, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Bluetooth section. Right click on the Bluetooth audio gateway service and select restart. Restart the Bluetooth support service. Okay. And lastly, restart the Bluetooth user support service. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.